My name is Ishita Mokal and my channel's name is Ishita's Treasure. In this video, I will tell how to do the doll's hair best. So let's go. So we will show the process of the dolls, that we will do the doll's hair smooth and silky and the best. We can do also with comb for now. It's very silky and smooth. Hello friends, so we are going to take now first the mark and some little bit water, and then we want to take the conditioner, and so like this we want to take the conditioner, and then we want to do the shake like this. We do shake, and then we want to take the doll and put in this doll's eye. We want to take this one by one doll and we want to put it, and afterwards we put it, we do like that. And then wash it like that, and then finish like this. We wash it like that, and when we wash it, then look how much nice it is. And like that only we would take. Now we have washed them neatly, so now we want to comb them neatly. So let's go! Like this we want to do it. So you can see my doll's hairs are so much perfect, silky and smooth. So if you like our channel, please subscribe our channel, please like and please share with your friends. Thank you. This is the cold water.
Start.